Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales sequence in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually come at the top right, click on this plus icon, and then what I want you to do here under emails, you'll see create sales sequence. I want you to click on this, and first you can go to name your sequence. So I'll name this one new leads, and then you can choose who can actually enter your sequence. So either these are accounts or they're contacts. I have this one toggle, basically exclude duplicate contacts from the sequence right here, and if you want you can click on this to toggle this on to add contacts to the sequence, and you choose what kind of contacts. I'll do new contact, so we'll scroll down. Here we go, new contacts, click on yes, and then what we'll do, you can go ahead and set a limit as well, but what we'll do now is I'll choose our sequence type. So my sequence type is outbound sequence, where it will execute all the steps one after another, and it runs every day at a specific time. Or you could do a classic sequence where Freshsales would execute your steps on the day you specify at this timing. I'll just do it one after another. You can also do smart sequence where it does the most relevant step every day. I'm excluding weekends, and now you choose the steps. So first I'll start with email. So once we have our new lead, I'll choose an email template. Of course you can create your own template. What I'll do, I'll choose connect with inbound leads. So I have the leads, I need to go ahead and connect with them, or what you could do, you could also reach out to these new leads. These are some templates. You can view and edit these as well. So this is what it looks like. Of course, it has these fields which will pick up things like their names. I'll close this one, come back here. You can also add a delay before this email is sent. I'd like it to be sent immediately after we have new leads, and we have exit settings where contacts from the sequence are removed if they've actually replied to the email. We'll save this one, and then I'll do another step, which will be an email reminder. If sent, so these are conditions. If the email has been sent, basically the one for step 1, this email right here, then what we'll do, we'll choose an email template. We'll do a follow-up with the unresponsive leads. There we go. We'll be able to see how many have been sent, the open rate, click rate, reply rate, they're unsubscribing, things like that. You can do a due date if you want. That will be the step execution date. You can add a delay. So basically, if they do not reply to that one, okay, then after 2 days, we'll do a follow-up. And these are the exit settings. We'll save that. And of course, you can also do add task, where you can go ahead and do a follow-up task based on the previous step. You can also do a call reminder where you'll call the lead personally, okay, and you'll choose the owner who will own that contact as well. Basically, they'll be doing the calling. And here we have options on how do you want the contacts to exit your sequence. We can remove the contacts who don't have an owner, remove those who replied, things like that. Email status is bounced, so we don't keep sending bouncing emails, and after 21 days they'll be removed, and those who've gone through all the steps as well. And then you can just go ahead and click on save and start, so new contacts will be added to this sales sequence. Of course, what you could also do to come here to sales sequences, and you will be able to get different templates that are available as well. You can go ahead and see they have different templates here as well that you can use, and that is how to create a sales sequence in Freshsales.